The average annual rainfall for a particular city is 40 inches. 40 inches a year. Okay, in the first 25 weeks, they had 18 inches. Okay? If it's expected to rain between 1 and 2 inches per week, how many more additional weeks are you going to have? When will you reach that annual rainfall? When will you get up to 40 inches? Okay? 1.0 and 2.0 inches, 1 inch and 2 inches. Okay? Now we're going to add these up, and then we're going to divide by 2, and that's going to tell me the what? When you add these two and you divide by 2, that gives you the average per week. So if you get between 1 and 2 inches a week, the average of that is 1.5. Okay? So we start off with 18 inches, okay? And then we take 1.5 inches per week times the number of weeks. X is the number of weeks. See, what is the reasonable number of additional weeks? X is the additional weeks, and we come up to a grand total of an average of 40 for the year. Okay, we say average, that means we're going to get 40 inches that year. Some years may be 45 inches, some may be 35 inches, but the average is 40. And we've already had 18. Okay, we're going to have an average of between 1 and 2 inches, so that's 1.5 inches a week times the number of weeks, and we get up to 40. Now I'm going to take away that 18 from the 40. Okay, 1.5 inches per week, and how many inches left in the year? 22. Okay, you divide 22 by 1.5, and we're going to say 14.67. Okay, so it's going to take 15 weeks, isn't it? Now we're not rounding it off. We're saying after 14 weeks you're not up to 40 inches here. So we're not rounding up. If it had been 14.1, I'd still use. It's going to require 15 weeks to get up there. So we're going to say 15. So now round it off. We're saying if you had 14.0001, you're not going to reach your 40 inches on the 14th week. Okay? Sometime during the 15th week, you're going to get up to 40 inches.